Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace a water filter cartridge. So I installed this tap last year and it's quite a cool tap. Obviously you've got your standard hot cold here and there's a tap here to run the filtered water. So quite cool. So holes wise it was the same size just here and there's 3 pipes going through the hot cold and 1 for filter for that. And then the filter goes just underneath the sink. So I've removed a couple of the items there. I'm not sure what's going to happen when I pull it out, but I'll show you in this video how to replace it. This is the packaging the filter comes in. Ordered off Amazon. I think it was about £32 or something like that. Just show you what you get inside the packaging. Get a sticker, I guess just to indicate when you installed it. You just stick that directly on the filter, and if I zoom in, there's the one I put in before. So January it was installed. As well as that, you get some instructions and the cartridge itself. So it comes all sealed up. Let's open it up. Okay, just pull the top off. And there's rubber gasket on there and there. So we just need to pull the other one off. The first thing we want to do is isolate the water. I've got an isolation point here. Let me see if I can get to it to turn it off. There's the isolation point. Let me get in there to turn it off. Got lots of water compound around there if you look just towards the bottom. And I think I initially had some leaks, but it was all good afterwards. Trying the tap now. You can see nothing's coming out, so that's nicely isolated off. Had a brief look at the instructions and it says to do a quarter turn that way. If I turn it, there you go. Lucky I put the little bucket there. Now taking the new one, should be as simple as just twisting it on. So if I place it in position, that's it, that's locked in. Turn the water back on via the isolating valve just up there. Just to show what happens. Just check for leaks now. Nothing seems to be coming out, so all good. I've had a quick read of the instructions and it says to flush the filter out for 5 minutes. So I've got to leave the water running for 5 minutes. So let me do that. Okay, we've come up to 5 minutes. I did pause the camera in between. Let's do a quick check of the water. Crystal clear. Quick taste test. Yep, tastes good. So now final thing to do is just put the sticker on as a reminder for the following year. Taking that. Stick it on here. That's it. The old one can just go in the recycle tub, but I'll empty out the water, just leave it like that. It is quite heavy because it's just full of water, so I'll just leave it like that and then I'll chuck it out afterwards. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone wanting to see how to replace one of these filters. I'll include links in the description below if you're after one of them. So thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.